Kratos Vision data can be converted to an ASCII equivalent from the binary files. And if you look at these ASCII equivalent files, they contain information about the experiment, and if provided in this format, then CASA can convert these data to include additional information that might be missed in other forms of VAMAS files when exported from data systems. And this is true of the Vision system, that for example, if I do Control F1, I can step through the different potential experimental variables, how the data are organized. So these data have all been sputtered to maintain a clean gold surface, so you see a sequence of sputter times, but equally if you look at the position, they were all measured at the same position. And this is the type of information that's within these KAL files that can be used to construct the VAMAS files. So to convert a DSET file to a KAL file, what you need to use is this utility program that's available on the CASA website. And what you do is you browse for the directory that contains DSET files, and when you select one of these DSET files, it then defines the directory and lists the DSET files that are in that directory. So if you select a pair of these, holding the control key down to add to the selection, there's a button that says Convert to KAL, ASCII. And what happens when you press this button is that the dump dataset program that is part of the Vision 2 installation is then used to process the DSET files and construct these KAL files.